In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Undertale fun value. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily change the fun value for Undertale. When you start a new save file, or upon doing a reset or true reset, the fun value of your Undertale save folder will be a random number from 1 to 100. But you can change this value manually. To do this, go to the save location of Undertale. So in this example here, it is under app data, local, and then Undertale. This should be the default location. Inside of this folder, you will have some files. One is going to be labeled file 0, another one file 9 or a different number, and then undertale.ini. To start, open Undertale ini with Notepad, so you can just drag this file inside of Notepad or right-click, open with, and then select Notepad. And inside of here, you can change the fun value. So change this fun value to whatever you wish to use. There's no need to remove these zeros or change anything else. Change only the number and don't disrupt anything else. After this is done, make sure to click on File and save the changes. This is very important. Once you have changed this file, now you do the same with file 0. So you open file 0 with Notepad, and this one is going to be a little bit more annoying. What you have to do here is change line 36. Modern Notepad software should tell you which line you are highlighting, or of course you can count it from the top, even though it would be way more annoying. It's up to you. So go to line 36 and change this value here. It should match the value that you set up on the Undertale ini file. So in this example here, 66, and then on file 0, 66. You don't need to do the same with the other file here as well. But if you want to, you can also change the value inside. And once this is done, save the changes and the fun value will be altered for your Undertale save folder. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.